Alrighty, barbecuers, you asked for it. Here it is, cherry balsamic chicken. We're going to do a 2-zone cook on our Weber kettle, medium-high heat. Let's prep our veggies. We need garlic, green onion, and carrots. In a pan, melt a tablespoon of butter and saute your garlic for about a minute. Now brown about a handful of almonds and couscous in the pan. When you've got a nice brown color on the couscous, add 3/4 cup of water, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. Time to prep those carrots. Cut them on a bias about 1 inch thick and add them to a bowl. Now give them a drizzle of olive oil. I love this garlic sea salt from Morton's. You'll find a link for it in the description below. I went through a few pepper mills before I found a good one. I'll leave a link for this one in the description below. Now toss those carrots and let's get them to the grill. We'll be cooking at 400 degrees today, 2-zone cook using lump charcoal. Time to get that chicken ready. Give it some salt, pepper, and just before going on the grill, a little bit of olive oil. Make sure you get both sides. I just got this cast iron skillet and I'm really loving it. I'll make sure to leave a link below so that you can get some more details. Now toss those carrots up, cook them for about 10 minutes before putting on the chicken. And now for the main event, let's get that chicken on the grill. These grill grates are awesome. If you don't have any yet, I highly recommend them. You won't have a single flare-up while cooking this chicken. I'll leave a link down below so you can check them out. About 3 to 4 minutes in, give those chicken slabs a 90-degree turn. You'll give them a nice hash mark on the bottom side. Anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes, go ahead and flip those chicken planks over. Notice that pretty color. They're looking good. While you're at it, go ahead and toss around those carrots. We want caramelization on all sides of these things. Make them nice and sweet. Total cook time for the carrots is going to be about 15 minutes. So the chicken's cooking along nicely. Let's work on the sauce. Add a tablespoon of butter to the pan. Now let's add your scallion whites and let those sizzle for a bit. If you like what you've seen here so far, do me a favor and mash that thumbs up button. Let's get ready to add some more to this sauce. But first, make sure that chicken isn't done yet. We're looking for 165 on the instant read thermometer. I've got a link to this below. Pull it off when it's ready. Let it rest. Now for the final part of the sauce, a 1/4 cup chicken stock and some cherry jam. Let it simmer until it's thickened up, and you're about to see what it looks like. And there's the money shot, ladies and gentlemen. This was a great meal. If you like what you've seen in this video, do me a favor, mash that like button. Also subscribe and hit the little bell icon to make sure you don't miss anything that we release in the future.